This week is crazy for smartphone lovers. iOS 18.6 just dropped, Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is making headlines, and nothing's back with a surprise. Let's break it down fast. First up, Apple's iOS 18.6 is officially out. You get faster app launches, improved battery performance, and new AI-powered Siri suggestions. Plus, hidden inside the update, code hints at an upcoming iPhone 17 Air reveal this fall. So if you haven't updated yet, do it now. Samsung fans, buckle up. Leaked renders of the Galaxy S26 Ultra just surfaced, and wow, it looks sleek with even thinner bezels and possibly a 200 megapixel camera. It's expected to launch early next year with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip and AI photo editing baked right in. Now let's talk Google Pixel 9. It's reportedly getting a complete redesign. Rounded corners, better cooling, and the new Tensor G4 chip. Android 15 beta testers say it feels smoother and smarter, especially with the new AI wallpaper and call screening features. And yes, Nothing OS 3.0 just started rolling out. It's super clean with new widgets, lock screen customization, and smoother transitions. If you're waiting for the Phone 3a, it's launching in just weeks, and it might come in bold new colors. That's your quick tech roundup. Which phone or update are you most hyped for? iPhone 17 Air, Galaxy S26 Ultra, or Pixel 9? Comment below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more weekly smartphone updates. See you next time.